All right, so there's three important things that you really want to pay attention to when it comes to the metaverse. Now, full disclosure, I know that some people are on board with this and some people aren't. But again, this is for educational purposes only for those of you guys that have been asking. But either way, let me know in the comments what your thoughts are on all of this. Number one is going to be virtual real estate or virtual land that you can build out. I want you to think of this kind of like what we've been able to do in the technology or with the technology that we have now. That's website domains, kind of like people that buy and flip website domains online. So if you're holding a website domain, in order for it to carry value, let's say you got it for 99 cents and then it's a common name that everyone wants and a bigger business wants to buy it out, you can then flip that domain for a higher profit. Or let's take that a step further, the way that people are able to monetize their videos online, let's say on YouTube, TikTok, or even IG or any other new social platform that comes out. You're able to monetize it either from the products and services that you sell on the back end or on the front end through some type of AdSense. Number two is going to be virtual assets. Think of this kind of like video games. So if you play video games, or maybe you have a kid that plays video games and they like Fortnite, or maybe you play Call of Duty or even NBA 2K, the way that you're able to design your character to the point that they even look like you, from the clothes to the mannerisms to the way that maybe you've even designed their penthouse and the way that they live. Those are all upgrades that people purchase within the game in order for them to have a higher status, not just in the game, but we also see that in real life with a blue check for whenever somebody gets verified. That blue check is nothing physical, but what it can produce for someone's business on the back end to protect them from maybe multiple accounts, or for people to know that they're a legit person, a legit business. That holds value in the real world. And then number three, we have virtual reality, which we are already experiencing that now. Look no further than Ariana Grande, where she had her own concert in the metaverse where people were able to experience it live in real time. And then we also had Travis Scott also had a concert in Fortnite. So what are your thoughts on this? Do you think that this is something that's going to be good for the economy? Do you think that this is something that's going to sway people in the wrong direction? Or do you think that this is neither good nor bad and it depends of how people use this? Let me know in the comments.